Hello there. In this video tutorial, you are going to be learning how you can leverage on Chatgpt in order to create an attention-grabbing and catchy book title. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to download the app, Chatgpt app, or click on the app. This is the app, this one here. So I'll click on it. Okay, now once I click on it, it's going to take me to the page. It's going to take me to this page, and then you will be requested to sign up. But since I have done that, so I don't need that. And if you don't want to go through the app, you can just type openai.com/chat, and then it's going to take you to where you have to sign up, and then you can have access to the platform. So when you have the access to the platform, you have it this way. So what you just need to do now is to type whatever it is that you want. Like in this case now, I want to require ChatGPT to give me suggestions on a book title that has to do with my course on ebook creation and publishing. So all I need to do is to just type it there and ask for ChatGPT suggestions. Okay, so suggest sellable titles for a course on ebook creation. So suggest sellable titles for a course on ebook creation, then I'll click on send. Okay, it's trying to find it and it's typing it. You see that? You see that? This is number 7, this is number 8, number 9, and this is number 10. About 10 of them. So let me read them out. Okay, so look at the first one. From manuscript to bestseller, a comprehensive guide to creating and publishing ebooks. What a wonderful title. Look at the second one, the ultimate ebook creation course, your step-by-step guide to self-publishing success. Look at the third one, mastering the art of ebook creation, the complete course for aspiring authors and publishers. Look at the fourth one, ebook creation made easy, a beginner's guide to writing, formatting, and publishing your own ebooks. Look at the fifth one, how to create and sell ebooks, the ultimate course for self-publishing entrepreneurs. Look at the sixth one, ebook publishing mastery, the step-by-step course to creating professional quality ebooks. Look at number 7, the complete guide to ebook creation and self-publishing, a course for writers and authors. 8, ebook success blueprint, the comprehensive course to creating and selling ebooks. Then 9, publishing your ebook, the complete guide to ebook creation, formatting, and marketing. Then 10, ebook creation essentials, a step-by-step course to writing, formatting, and publishing your first ebook. So all these are great titles that you could use for your book. So you may want to try ChatGPT in crafting attention-grabbing and catchy title for your book. Alright, I hope this is helpful. Till we see again, my name is Kayode. I am the founder of this smart concept, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube, kindly hit the subscribe button now so that you can have beautiful updates like this one. Till we see you again, bye for now.